This is POCO X6 Pro, and today I will show how you can initialize this phone, or to put it in other words, how to perform an initial system setup on it. So to start, let's tap at this arrow button here. Now select what setup language you would like to work in, and what you would like for your system, what language you would like for your system to have also. So I'll go with English United States here. Then you can increase or decrease the text size here if necessary. You can continue now. Here select your region. Then accept, or rather, first of all, you'll need to read all the terms and then accept them. So beforehand, you gotta probably read them or scroll them like I'm doing it now. So it will allow you to proceed. Forcing you to actually read those policies and agreements, which is a very good thing to do before you accept them, of course. That's always a good thing to read anything before accepting it. Then now we can continue. We should be able to continue. So here we actually needed to just select that we've read and agreed to the user agreement and privacy policy here, and now we can continue finally. Here you can connect your smartphone to a Wi-Fi network like you would. So select what network you would like to connect yourself to, input the network password, and that's it. Or you can skip this step if you're not ready to set up the Wi-Fi connection and continue the setup offline. I've actually entered the wrong password, so let me quickly fix that. Now it will do some internal magic here, so just wait until the setup will allow you to continue. So here it is. Now you can copy files and data from your old system, from your old phone or tablet if necessary, but I do not have anything to copy, so I'll go with the don't copy option. Here you can sign into your Google account, or you can skip this step for now and do that later on. Here you decide what Google services you would like to accept and enable. So once the selection is made, tap at the accept button here. Here select what search engine you would like to have as your default choice. I'll go with Google. Here you can also set up the screen lock, both classic, such as pattern, PIN, or password, as well as biometric methods, for instance, fingerprint and face unlock. Or you can just skip this step and delay the screen locking as for now. Here you can review additional apps, and now just wait. Here decide what basic settings you would like to accept, then set up the font. You can either set up the screen carousel option or skip this step and live with default lock screen. Here you can select the launcher type between app drawer and classic. I'll go with the app drawer. And now just wait a while until your Hyper OS system is prepared and configured. And once it is, that means that the setup is finished and you can now start using your phone. So that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.